Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about the distance between two numbers. To find the distance between two numbers, we can find the absolute value of the difference. Now we will see an example. Let us say I want to find the distance between -2 and 2. I know you will tell me it's easy. From -2 to 0 I have two numbers. And from 0 till 2 I have two numbers, so in total I have four numbers. That is correct, but sometimes we have big numbers. We might have both numbers negative, both numbers positive, etc. So what you should prepare the absolute value and then put the two numbers inside, and in the middle, because we are finding the difference, we will put the subtraction operator. I will repeat, we put the absolute value, I put the numbers inside in any order you want, but my advice, since we are subtracting, you can put the negative number next to it, because now negative and negative will give you positive. Okay, but it doesn't matter if you put -2 in the beginning and then the +2, you will reach the same answer. So now finish what's inside the absolute. Finish what's inside. So now I have the absolute value of 2 plus 2, which is the absolute value of 4. And the absolute value of 4 is 4. Remember, the distance cannot be negative. Finding the absolute value as if I am telling you what's the distance. So it cannot be a negative number. So the absolute value of the 4 is 4. Another example, I need to find the distance between -4 and 1. So number 1, we prepare the absolute value. Number 2, we put the numbers inside. And number 3, we put the subtraction operator between the numbers. So absolute value, numbers, and then I put the subtraction in the middle. You can put it next to the negative number, so now both of them will change to one operator. You're going to replace them by the positive one. You have the absolute value of 1 and 4, which is the absolute value of 5, and the answer is 5. Now we will be finding the distance between two negative numbers. Prepare the absolute, put the numbers inside, and then put the negative. Remember, the answer cannot be negative. I'm finding a distance, so the answer should be positive. I cannot say I walked -1 meters, let us say. Okay, so I walked a meter, or I went back. I don't say negative for the distance. You use the proper word for that. Anyway, now prepare the absolute, put the numbers inside, put the subtraction operator. When you have two negative numbers, if you want, put the bigger number next to this one, so it's easy for you to find the solution. Now when you replace these two negatives by the positive, you will get inside the absolute -1 plus 4. Now my bigger number is positive. 4 is greater than 1. If you can check the previous videos we have on the channel, we explained how to add and subtract negative and positive numbers. The bigger number over here is 4. It is holding the positive sign, so the answer is going to be positive. Then subtract. So you put the sign of the bigger number and then you subtract. Some will tell me it's easy. It's the same as 4 minus 1, which is correct. The absolute value of 3 is a 3. As we can see on the number line, we have 3 numbers from -4 till -1 in between. That's it for this video. Check the other videos to help you improve and become faster, and you can watch this one again. Bye bye.